Knock, knock. Not bad, huh? The weather's good. Yeah, that's right. Now, what did you do? What did Katy do? What did I don't know to be treated you? You know, they just throw you in the Stone Age for 2 nights, 3 days, no fire, no power, no food, and hard freeze. So how many thick do you need to survive? What did they do to you? They throw you out in the Stone Age for 2 nights, 3 days, no power, no food, no water. Hawaii, the groceries, the restaurants, they in your face. 2 nights, 3 days. What did you do for you to treat us that way? Stone Age, no fire. What was that thing? And what did you do yet? What did you do yet? TP? Where were you? Where you at? Where you at? To be? You're so crazy good, man. Where you been? What did you do for 2 days? No, 3 days and 2 nights. What did you do? What you do? Oh, Monsieur. What did you do, man? For 2 nights and 3 days. What did you do? Katy, Houston, Texas. Katy, Houston, Texas. February 17, 18, 19, 20. 2021. Sulaiman. Okay, I'll talk to you, Bashir.